CST. I stands for international, internation, sorry, not international, internation. Union, U stands for union, International Union of, P stands for pure, A stands for applied, and C stands for chemistry. So, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Got it? Okay, just take a 5 minutes and write down this thing, and I'll next move to the next part of the topic. Done? Okay. So the rules for nomenclature and how we name the elements are rules for nomenclature. Okay. Uh, the first recommendation is like that. You should give the name of the particular element with the first letter written over there. Like if it is hydrogen, so we will write H. The first letter of the element name written in uppercase. Okay. So the first letter of element name written in uppercase. Took example of hydrogen. Okay. The uppercase is H. So we will write it as H. Got it? The first letter and the first rule of nomenclature says the first letter of element name written in uppercase. And the second will be the letter seconding of the first letter, means the second alphabet of that particular um, element. Like if we take hydrogen, the second alphabet of the hydrogen is Y. The second letter succeeding the first letter in the lower case, we will write it as the, we will put it as the element name. Later succeeding the first letter the first written in lowercase. That is, if we take example of again hydrogen, not hydrogen, sorry, helium. The uppercase is H, and the letter succeeding the first written in lowercase, that is E. So this will be E. After H, there is a E, and that is the first letter in lowercase. So HE. Okay, now tell me the um, compound name of aluminium. Yes, the aluminium is like A is the first letter in uppercase, and the second letter in lowercase is L. The letter succeeding the first written in the lowercase is S. So it will be AL. Okay, got it? The third rule is the other element, the other letter in the element name written in the lower case. Like we will take the example of chlorine. Okay, so we will name it as Cl. The other letter in the elements, like the third letter of the element, not the last or the second last letter, but the third letter of that particular element, we will take it as the naming for that particular element. So first we will take C, not H, and the other letter will be L. That will be Cl. Okay. So other letter in the element written in lowercase will be taken. Okay. The fourth and the last rule is the names in a Greek and a Latin word, elements with the names in a Greek and Latin word. So first we will take example of sodium, that will be Na. Okay, so there is no alphabet written as N or A in the sodium, but the name is put in a Na. So Na means its Latin name is natrium. So from here Na came. It is a Latin name, natrium. Okay. So it is a Latin name. Some elements we named it from a Latin name, and we put the things together like the uppercase and the lowercase. So the sodium is an example. It came from natrium, that is Na. Okay. Uh, just write over here element with name in Greek and Latin. Okay, we have some similar example like sodium is another example is potassium, that is K, and the Latin name is kalium. So we have just taken the uppercase of the kalium, and that is named as K. Took other example like iron, that is Fe. So its name is ferrum. This both name is in Latin, and we have taken the uppercase and the lowercase from their Latin name, and then we put it as a element name. Okay, so this is the rules of how we are naming the nomenclatures, or how we name the elements according to the Jacob Berzelius, and it is based on the appearance, properties, location of the discovery of that particular element. And so in next class, we will going to continue with the Dalton's atomic theory and atomic structure. I hope you like this session. If you have any doubts, just took a 5 minutes and then ask your questions.